Here some question are given. Question is that 5 power x into 5 power x into 5 power x is equal to 10. What is the value of x? Let's start solution. First of all, they will be divided in 6 steps. First step, solution. Step step 1. Step 1. First step, see here. First of all, combine the power. The left hand side of the equation has 3 identical terms. See here, left hand side 3 identical terms. See here, 5 power x into 5 power x into 5 power x. They are 3 identical terms using the rule of exponent. See here, we know that if f power m into f power n, that will be written as f power m plus n. Use this rule of exponent. Use this rule. We can combine the power. See here, 5 power x into 5 power x into 5 power x. Combine the power. See here, 5 power x plus x plus x. That will be written as 5 power 3x. That will be written as 5 power 3x. So the equation will be written as 5 power 3x is equal to 10 according to question. This is a step number second. In a step number second, take the log of both sides. Take the log of both sides. To solve for x, to solve for x, we want to solve the value of x. So that taking the log in both sides, see here, ln 5 power 3x bracket close is equal to ln log ln 10 bracket open close. Step number third. Step third. In step third, using the logarithm identity. See here, step number third. If ln f power b, that will be written as this b comes first. See here, b, after that ln bracket open a bracket close. In step number third, using the logarithm identity. This is logarithm identity. Using the identity that left hand side simplification as follow. See here, after next step, using this rule, 3x ln bracket open 5 is equal to ln 10. We can use this rule in apply to this form. After next step, step number 4. See here, no two isolated x. No, both side divided by 3 ln 5. According to our side, see here, 3x ln 5 bracket open is equal to ln 10. Both side divide 3 ln 5. See here, 3 ln root 5. This side also divide 3 ln root 5. See here, 3 cancel, ln 5 cancel. After left it, x is equal to ln 10 divided by 3 ln bracket open bracket close 5. Step number 5th, calculate the logarithm. No, calculate the value of ln 10 and ln 5. Step number 5th, the value of ln 10. What? The value of ln 5. Using the calculator to find the value of log 10, log 5. Log 10 value 2.3026. Log 5 value 1.6094. After that, step 6. In step 6, substitute and find the value of x. Substitute and find the value of x. Find the value of x. See here, we can substitute the value of log 10 and log 5 value. Therefore, x is equal to ln 10 divided by ln 5. Substitute the value. Log 10 value 2.3026 divided by see here mistake 3 into ln 5. Therefore 3 into ln 5 value 1.6094. Therefore the value of x is 2.3026 divided by 3 into 1.60 multiply, they will be written as 4.8282. Therefore divide this number. In this number will be divided by this number, the value will be 0.477. Therefore final answer will be x approximate x value approximate how much 0.477. This is final answer, x approximate 0.477. Thank you for watching my video. Here some question are given. Question is that 5 power x into 5 power x into 5 power x is equal to 10. How to find the value of x? What is the value of x? Let's start solution. First of all, they will be divided in 6 steps. First step, solution. Step 1. First step, see here, combine the power. First of all, combine the power. First of all, combine the power. The left hand side of the equation has 3 identical terms. See here, left hand side 3 identical terms. See here, 5 power x into 5 power